Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. In this video we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in British pound US dollar currency pairs. I'll be doing the different time frame analysis starting from daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame, and we'll be sharing you the support and resistance levels and the trends also. Please use these levels as a reference for entering and exiting on your trades. Let us start with the analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we notice the price action in daily time frame, this level has been acting as a very strong support, which is between 1.33 to 1.31. So when we look at the past price action, this level had been acting as a very strong support and resistance in the past also. Currently also this level is holding the price from coming down. So the price action has to break this support level to actually go on a downside. When we look at the past price action in daily time frame, it was on a very nice bullish trend, steadily going on a bullish trend, and took resistance at the resistance level of 1.42. Then from there it started its bearish trend. Price action was moving slowly. It trended down, then retracement, again trending down, again retracement. So it was coming in a very nice downtrend and it was moving slowly, and currently it has taken support at the support level of 1.31 and made a double bottom pattern, then started its bullish trend and took resistance at the previous resistance level, which was between 1.38 and 1.36. So this level will be acting as a strong resistance for the future price actions also. Currently the price action is trading between this resistance and support level, and it is moving on a sideways. It has lost the momentum on the bearish side. I have also drawn the midline of this bearish channel pattern. You can notice that whenever the price action tests this support line, the price action bounces back, again retraces, again bounces back. The next time when it retraces, it breaks this support line and retraces much further. So currently when we notice the price action, it has gone up, breaking this resistance line and tested this higher level of resistance, and it is on a retracement. And currently I am expecting it to take support at this support level of 1.33, go on a bullish trend, again test on this resistance line from the bearish channel pattern. But currently we can see that the price action has lost its bearish trend. It is finding resistance at the support level of 1.33. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, we have the strong resistance area over here and we have the strong support area over here, and the current price action is trading within this support and resistance levels. Previously the price action was in a very nice downtrend and took support on the bearish channel pattern from the higher time frame and formed a very nice double bottom pattern and started its bullish trend. And currently when we notice the price action, it has retraced to the midline of the channel pattern and it is sort of consolidating. Wait for it to make a double bottom pattern, then you can expect a trend reversal and test on the resistance line from the bearish channel pattern. I am expecting a bullish trend reversal at this point. But overall when we look at the price action, it is still trading on a bearish trend, but the bearish momentum is becoming weaker because it is not moving steeply, it is moving on a sideways. But as long as the price action is trading within this bearish channel pattern, we can expect the bearish trend to continue. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the levels marked within the green color box are the support and resistance levels in 4 hours time frame. Currently the price action is finding difficult to break the support level of 1.33. Only when it breaks this support level, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair. But previously this level had been acting as a very strong support. So I am expecting a bullish trend reversal in this currency pair to gather enough momentum and then retest on this support level. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now, and we know from the daily time frame that these levels are acting as a very strong resistance and support levels, and currently the price action is trading within a very nice bearish trend. Currently you can notice that the price action is finding strong support at the support level of 1.33. Support level doesn't get breached, we can expect a trend reversal and break on this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern from the hourly time frame. Then the bullish trend to start and test the resistance line from the daily time frame channel pattern. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in yellow color boxes are the support and resistance levels in hourly time frame. Currently I can see that the price action is consolidating or forming a double bottom pattern. Wait for it to break this resistance line, then you can go on a bullish side trades. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action, it was in a very nice bullish trend, tested this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern, then the bearish trend started. Again, currently we are noticing a bullish trend starting in this currency pair. If it doesn't manage to break this resistance line, we can expect a trend reversal on the bearish side and to retest on this support level of 1.33. Only when it breaks this support level, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair. But looking at the current price action, it is finding a strong support at this support level of 1.33 and the price action is moving on a sideways. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in blue color are the support and resistance levels in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is in a sideways. I am expecting it to test this resistance line from the bearish channel pattern of the hourly time frame. Only when it breaks this resistance line, we can expect a further continuation on the bullish trend. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 5 minutes time frame, from here the price action has gone on a bullish side. On the upper side also, you can notice that the higher side is increasing. The resistance line is also on a bullish trend and the support line is also on a bullish trend and the range is actually widening. So you can mark trend lines like this, the blue color lines, and whenever the price action breaks this trend line, you can go on a bullish side, and whenever the price action tests this resistance line, you can take a bearish side trades. Currently the price action is testing this resistance line. Wait for it to break this resistance line, you can go on a bullish side trade, or if the candle bounces back, you can go on a bearish side trades, but on the bearish side the ranges are narrow. Wait for it to break this on the bullish side, then you can get a better range to trade. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is moving in a sideways, testing this resistance level and bouncing back and testing this support line. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.